Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Inesore AirPods Pro case, a unique protective cover designed for the second and first generation models. What caught my eye immediately is the classic handheld game console appearance, a nostalgic touch that adds a playful vibe to your AirPods. The concave and convex game buttons not only look cool but also offer a tactile experience, letting you reminisce about the good old gaming days. But it's not just about aesthetics. This case is made of high-quality material that's waterproof, sweat-proof, scratch-proof, and durable. It's like armor for your AirPods, ensuring they stay protected in various environments. Now, what sets this case apart is the anti-fall lock feature. This safety lock mechanism guarantees that your headphones are securely fastened, providing an extra layer of security. It's reassuring to know that your investment is safe from scratches, scuffs, and even minor drops. Included in the package are some handy accessories, a keychain, a booster, and two 3M adhesive tapes. These additions make it convenient to carry your AirPods wherever you go, and the booster ensures you're always charged up. In conclusion, the Inesore AirPods Pro case combines style, functionality, and durability, making it the perfect accessory for your AirPods Pro's second or first generation. If you're a fan of classic gaming or just want a standout case, this one's definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.